To secure the hem with a hem stitch, start by measuring the size of the fold. Remove one thread at each mark. On the last mark, remove 3 or 4 threads. These pulled threads will make it easier for you to fold and press your hem. Then fold the hem and press. Thread your needle, make a knot, and hide the knot in the fold of the hem. To make a hem stitch, you will need to group your pulled threads into groups. Wrap your thread around each group of the threads twice. Then pass the needle inside the fabric of the fold. This will attach the fold to the edge. To make the stitches on the hem of the equal size, count the threads you are grouping. After each wrap, pull the thread to tighten the wrap. Continue with the hem stitch along the edge. Work the hem stitch from the reverse side so the front side looks nice and neat. Adjust the position of the hem you are working on and find the position that is comfortable for you. When you make the final stitches, secure your thread and hide it inside the fold. To make the ladder hem stitch, we will need to add one more layer of stitching. Pass the needle under one thread to secure your starting point. Now make a hem stitch on the second side of the thrown threads. Wrap the needle around a cluster of threads 2 times and pass the needle in the fabric, couple of threads above the drawn line. You will note that this second side of the ladder hem stitch is faster to make because we don't have to secure the hem. Note that the second round of the hem stitch is made from the front side of the fabric. After the entire hem stitch is done, secure your thread under the stitches. Cut the thread and your work is finished.